Dentures often get a bad rap, but today I'm going to show you a case of a young lady that we restored with removable implant-retained overdentures in the upper and lower arches. A young lady presented to our office with LAD syndrome. LAD syndrome stands for Lacrimo-Auriculo-Dento-Digital syndrome. This can involve underdevelopment of the teeth and salivary glands. Unfortunately, this can result in the development of dental caries and can reduce the long-term prognosis of the teeth. Alright, so what we have here is previously completed crown restorations on teeth 1-2, 1-1, 2-1, 2-2, and 2-3. We can see near the gum line some shadowing and darkness. There's a little bit of recession there and some dental caries starting. So we already have an indication that this patient is more prone to dental caries. On top of that, and unfortunately not visible in this photo, there were periapical lesions associated with teeth 1-2, 1-1, 2-1, and 2-2. These teeth were previously root canal treated, but there were still infections present, unfortunately. In addition, we can see here that tooth 1-3 has fractured to the gingival line, which means that it is not restorable. In the bottom arch, you can see significant wear on the majority of the teeth, indicating that the enamel was likely hypoplastic or underdeveloped. The amount of wear and damage present is significant considering this patient is only 35 years old. In this particular case, the patient had dental burnout and was not interested in trying to attempt to save her teeth again. Because of her genetic condition, we decided to be a little bit more aggressive with her treatment plan. We decided to remove the remaining maxillary and mandibular dentition and to utilize dental implants to support implant-retained overdentures. The first phase of treatment involved removing the remaining dentition and fabricating interim complete dentures for the upper and lower arches. After roughly 3 to 4 months of healing, we then planned this patient for 6 dental implants in the upper arch and 6 dental implants in the lower arch. Today's denture materials have great aesthetics, wear resistance, and strength, making them a good long-term solution. The idea behind removable dentures is that they can be removed for ease of cleaning of the dental implants and the denture itself. Making the decision to extract teeth is always difficult, and I always err on the conservative side of trying to maintain teeth. So here you can see that due to the wear of the lower arch, the patient's bite has deepened. The incisal edges significantly overlap the lower teeth to the point where you can't even see them when she smiles. This patient has become overclosed from all of the wear and requires her bite to be opened. This can be done by utilizing crown restorations or, in this particular case, using dentures to restore the form, function, and aesthetics of her teeth. In this image here, you can see the final result where we have restored the vertical dimension of occlusion and we have created a near perfect bite. The benefit of removable dentures is that we can customize them for each patient. This includes both the positioning of the teeth and the shade. Our in-house dental laboratory ensures that adjustments can be made right away for each one of our patients. This patient presented to our office with dental frustration and significant sensitivity and pain. We were able to provide her with a result that restored her aesthetics, smile, and confidence. We finished this patient's treatment in 2023. It is now 2025 and she has had no other issues and returns to our office at 6-month intervals for regular hygiene around her dental implants. This has provided her with the ability to enjoy her life and not have to worry about her teeth anymore. Removable implant-retained dentures are an excellent solution for patients with failing dentition or struggling with their dentures. If you'd like to find out more, visit vividdental.ca or check out our YouTube channel. I'm trying to produce a lot of content to inform the public, and if you like my material, let me know. I'm Dr. R.F. Sumar. Thanks for watching.